Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that harmonious functioning of legislature, judiciary and executive is necessary for governance of a state. CM N. Biren made this statement today at Constitution Day observation, which was held at Chief Minister's Secretariat Darbar Hall in Babupara. He further highlighted that observance of Constitution Day was initiated a year after BJP came to power in 2014. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. While highlighting the role of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in drafting the Constitution, Chief Minister N. Biren emphasized upon the need to uphold justice, liberty, equality and fraternity enshrined in the Constitution of India. The Chief Minister also appealed to face anti-social elements unitedly for a stronger Manipur. A declared edition of the newly introduced criminal laws was also released at the event, followed by Constitution pledge by the attendees.
And Maruina, Chief Minister Mayanga meeting the show, Sigi observation, it should take down to the grassroots level, one by one. Even a quick club level, the Panchayat level, the higher constitution ki poche, Pajana Mayama Kangan Lo Highway. And the Masigi constitution, Sigi, Banung the Yauri bird, like the Pon Mayam binding, Madu Pon Mayam, Pajana Nana Salakata, Kui Akanda Bharat, and the Matimagule Bharat. Upon the Bharat to get government, city government in a palm to educate citizens about the values, about the principles, about the right glorified in the Constitution, and encourage active participation in uploading these ideals. Sigi body ahum se executive ne, legislature ne, judiciary ne. Sigi body ahum se fajana jointly worked over the Fajana country se rento bunga muni hai.